I was just missing this one thing, an alternative water source. And I didn't want to put out $60,000, $70,000 to drill a well out here when I could get into something that's affordable and will continue to be affordable and continue to grow. My name is Brian Schewe. I live out in West Texas, and I'm a new owner of Aquaria Hydropack, and we're getting that installed today. The reason I'm getting one is because the aquifers that we're sitting above that supplies the majority of Texas, it's going dry. To try to conserve what water we have left, we're looking for an alternative source of water, and the Hydropack seems to be what I need. The cost of drilling a well out here is very expensive, and then once the well is drilled, the state has come out and tested the water and put out an 84-page report suggesting that anybody that lives out in this development needs to look for an alternative water source such as rainwater, or in my instance, I'm using the Aquarius as an alternative to supplement that. Once you set it up, it's basically plug and play. Not really anything you need to do, everything's set up for you. Environmental conservation is very important to me. I live out here basically off the grid. I live on solar power. If for some reason I ran out of water, I would have enough to live off of every day just by what's being produced in this machine.